You are what I waited for. Oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you are my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. Feel like I can fly, fly. One love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy.
Hey, it's me again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me, CJ Barlongo Vlogs. So I will be featuring again one of the beaches here in Pangasinan, which is Abagatanen Beach, and I'm so excited. Ang ganda. There's no one here except us. It's very beautiful. Say hi to my vlog, Carlo. So kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, ano pang ginagawa mo? Mag-subscribe ka na! And we're back again for another travel video. We're here at Abagatanen Beach and we are enjoying the place. Look at this beautiful place. So it is located here in Agno, Pangasinan, which is one of the beaches here. You will surely love it, guys. It's very beautiful. It's heaven. If you are worried about COVID-19, you must go here at weekdays so that to avoid the crowd. Look at this. There's no one here except us. Do you like it? Yes, for sure you will like it if you go here. And we are staying here at Kisha Transient House. They are very accommodating. The staff here is very good. I'll give them a 5-star for that. So this is the beach. So right now, itutur ko naman kayo sa aming room. Come on, let's go.
I'm sad, I like my life with you. Oh, 'cause you are my one love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. Feel like I can fly, fly. One love, one love. And I'm not saying lies, I feel crazy.
Me? Yes. Okay lang. Naghay ka mat This is the rooftop. So ito yung ating background. This is the view right here. Very beautiful. That's all I can say. It's worth it. So if you want to have a vacation and disconnect from the city, Abagatanen Beach is a perfect place for you guys because walang signal, walang Wi-Fi. So you cannot be distracted to the online world. It's very beautiful. It's really beautiful. Yan nung guys, background pa lang, it's unedited. So hindi ko to ginamitan ng edits. It's natural.
My life with you, oh, 'cause you are my one love.